Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Techie Entertainment, where today we will be doing Techie Talk. And if you guys don't know what Techie Talk is, it is basically where we talk about technology. So let's get into this. Today's topic will be a keyboard that I got from Savers, and it was $2. It's Lenovo keyboard. It is a lot nicer than the keyboard I have. The keyboard I have is an old Dell keyboard from 1990s. So yeah, we're gonna be upgrading that. It's very dirty, so I decided, well, maybe I should just clean it and make a video. I mean, it would be pretty interesting, cleaning a keyboard. Not many people actually do that, and that's why keyboards are so dirty. Like, you go, again, you go to Savers or some other place, and the keyboard is just dirty. So we're going to be cleaning this keyboard up, and it's going to be beautiful when it's done. So let's start by removing all the keys. While we're removing the keys, I think I should say why am I doing this, and that is because, like I said, I have a very old keyboard and it's not very good, so we're going to be replacing that with this one. Alright, good. We are done with removing all of the keys. So now we will start to clean the keys. So you put the keys in a bag, and then we put water in the bag and some soap, and then shake the bag, and while the keys are drying, we should go clean the actual physical keyboard, because there's like Doritos, Fritos, and Cheetos, and any other sort of chip. Just they're all crumbs are inside of the keys, or well, not inside of the keys, but they went through the keys and are now on the keyboard. So let's clean that by using a paintbrush. That's all I have. I don't really have anything else, and I probably could have cleaned it better by using something, but I didn't want to use water. Alright, once that's done, and once all the keys are nice and clean, and they are also all dried up, then we will start putting the keys back on. I had a little bit of help with Elizabeth.
This is the last key, so I'm going to put it on.
It's the end key, because we're ending this project. There you go. Now, it's all beautiful.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It took a while to make, and yeah. So, be sure to hit that like button if you liked it, and if you did not like it, then you know what to do. Just do it, because that tells me that you guys don't want to see any more Techie Talk videos, which is sad, because I like making these. Anyways, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for mostly daily content. Not really, because now school has started, but yeah, goodbye.